Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do another look using the Bobbi Brown Smoke and Metals palette. One of you requested me to do a different look. The first look I did was more of a smoky one. Today I'm going to go more with a soft kind of pinky, very girly, romantic kind of look. So I'm going to focus on this color here, which is called Sandcastle. Then I'm going to throw Malted in my crease and this color, which is called Midnight Toast. Yeah, Midnight Toast. So we're going to focus on those three eyeshadows. I'm going to do one eye on camera and then I'll come back and do the other eye off camera, so this video is not like very long. So it won't be very long. All right, so that being said, let's start off with our first color that I mentioned before, Sandcastle, which is this lighter one. And I'm going to take an eye sweep brush from Bobbi Brown. Let's go with this eye. And I'm going to just pack it on my lid. I mentioned in the other video, and I think all my videos where I do eyeshadow looks, I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I just work in layers. I pack on eyeshadow and then I do a different one. I find as long as you powder or put eyeshadow on first, whatever you layer on top really does stay. So that's the first layer. Next, I'm going to take Malted, which is this color right here. And I'm taking a Bareminerals the blender brush. I highly recommend this one. I mentioned it in another video. It's just the perfect, let me show you guys. It's the perfect shape and like it's very domed and it fits right into the crease. So whenever you're working with a crease color, always look straight and put the brush into the crease and just go back and forth. This will ensure that the color actually goes into your crease. A lot of times when we're doing our makeup, if we look down and we do it and then we look up, it kind of disappears. So that was just like a little trick to make sure that you get it into your crease and that you can still see where you've applied it. If you're doing like an eye look, like an everyday eye look for day, this would be perfect. You could stop here, throw some eyeliner on, and just kind of call it a day. But if you were going to take it up a notch, like let's say you're going to go out, you could mix Black Velvet and Malted. So this color is Black Velvet and Malted together. And that's going to just deepen the crease a little bit. But now I'm going to focus this color more out here. See how now it's a little bit darker? See how that kind of develops and deepens the crease? And now if I continue to focus it outside, it's going to really elongate the eye. Just like that. Now to give it a really nice, like soft, kind of romantic pop, I'm going to go in with a sparkle shadow. It's called Midnight Toast. It's a pinky color. So with the sparkle shadows, I like to go in with my finger. I feel like it picks up the glitter or the sparkle really nice. And I'm just going to run my finger into the pan in circles. See that color? It's really pretty. And now I'm going to just tap it onto my lid like that. Now, depending on the intensity that you want, you could just do that, tap it, and that's it. And it's really pretty. But I'm extra, so I'm going to get more and I'm going to swipe it on. And I mentioned before, I like to use my fingers a lot whenever I'm doing my makeup. I don't know, I just feel like it applies it better and blends it better too. So you can do that, and then whatever little sparkle you have left, if you want, you can take it up to your crease. Just like that. See how it like sparkles really nice in the light. So this is a Bobbi Brown Perfectly Defined Gel Liner in Chocolate Truffle. It's a gel it's like a gel liner in a pencil form. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to run it along the top lashes. Just like that. So I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished off this eye. I added a little blush and some highlight that I am going to talk about in a video and I put some Palladio eye blushing in the shade Darling and a little lipstick because my face just needed some color to balance out the rest of my makeup. And if you're curious, it is Pink Buff Luxe Lip Color from Bobbi Brown. It's a nice kind of everyday shade and it's close to my lip color, it's just slightly pinkier. So this is the finished look. It's a nice kind of soft, like you can technically wear it every day depending on what you're comfortable with as far as day makeup. Like if you don't like glitter for during the day, you probably skip the glitter part and add that on like after work or if you're going to go somewhere. But it's a nice, very like romantic kind of eye. I love glitter, so I'll wear it during the day. I'm totally cool with that. So that's the look. If you guys have any questions, comments, or anything, please feel free to comment down below. If you want to request another look with using this particular eyeshadow palette, the first one was more of a smoky eye. This is more of a romantic kind of eye, but these are the colors. It's a really pretty palette. Definitely recommend it, especially if it's something like you want to try some Bobbi Brown out. There are different like textures. There's a sparkle shadow, there's metallic, there's mattes. So there's a nice variety in this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.